Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we're going to learn about environment. Look around you. The surroundings around you and the conditions in which you live is called your environment. All living things that live on this earth comes under the environment. Whether they live on the land or the water, they are part of the environment. Environment के अंदर हमारे पास हवा, पानी, sunlight, पौधे and other animals आते हैं. A clean environment is a healthy environment. If we want to stay healthy, हमें अपनी environment को साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए. A clean environment is important for the survival of all living. We can divide environment in three kinds of environments: natural environment, industrial environment and social environment. Natural environment includes water, light, land, air and all organisms that live in nature. Industrial environment includes cities, villages, factories and all human synthesis. Social environment includes authorities, universities, schools, companies and other establishments. Moreover, the Earth is considered the only planet in the universe that supports life. The environment can be understood as a blanket that keeps life on the planet safe and sound. Environment plays an important role in keeping living things healthy in the environment. It provides food, shelter, air and fulfills all the human needs, whether it's big or small. Moreover, the entire life support of human depends wholly on the environmental factors. It also helps in maintaining various life cycles on the earth. Here are some benefits of environment. Environment की वजह से हमें बहुत सारे मफाद हासिल होते हैं जिसको हम गिन भी नहीं सकते. As the benefits are connected with the nature, forest, trees, animals, water and air. The forests and trees filters the air, absorb harmful gases, plants purify water, reduce the chances of flood, maintain natural balance and many others. एनवायरनमेंट की वजह से हम अपनी ज़िंदगी बहुत पुरसुकून और अच्छे तरीके से गुजार सकते हैं. The environment has helped us and other living beings in 1,000 ways in 1,000 years. Most of activities humans do harm the environment in many ways. The activities of humans that harms environment is pollution, chemicals, greenhouse gases, global warming and ozone etc. All these affect the environment badly. There are some simple ways to help the environment. Number 1. Print as little as you need. Recycling, save water, using reusable bags, growing more trees and plants, reducing pollution. I hope you all understood today's topic. That would be all for today. Take care and don't forget to take care of your environment. Bye.